Hi guys, my name is D Johnson. I am from EC department. My roll number is 37. Today's topic is the power of clear communication preventing over promising in voluntary work. In volunteer efforts, effective communication is the cornerstone of success and team morale. This presentation explores how clear communication can prevent over promising, fostering a more productive and harmonious environment for all. The challenge when enthusiasm outspaces reality. Volunteer projects often start with immense enthusiasm. However, unchecked optimisms can lead to overcommitting partial concerning logistics. This often results in the unrealistic goals and timeless. Increased stress and confusion among team members, potential burnout and reduced project effectiveness. Balancing passion with parti- partially is crucial for sustainable volunteer initiatives. Understanding the overpromised motivations and impact. Good intentions, often over promising, stems from a genuine desire to help and contribute significantly to the cause. Lack of awareness, volunteers might not fully grasp the complexity or resource requirement of a task until they committed. Ripple effect. One person's overcommitted can create a domino effect leading to anxiety and uncertainty across the entire team. Strategies for proactive communication and explanation setting, define clear roles, establish specific responsibility for each team member to avoid ability and overlapping tasks, set realistic goals, collaborate to determine achievements, objectives, and timelines concerning available resources and capabilities, encouraging open dialogue, create an environment where volunteers feel comfortable voicing concerns, admitting when they need support, regular check-ins, employment progress updates to sincerely and make them facilitating constructive feedback and course correction. The importance of dialogue addressing overpromising requires tact and empathy, frame feedback in a supportive way, focusing on solutions rather than blame. Private conversation discuss concerns individually, first focus on impact, explain how actions after affect the team and project. Offer solution brainstorm ways to reduce to tasks or adjust expectations. Empowering team cohesion, a united force front against stress. When communication is a strong team can collectively manage challenges. This creates a supportive atmosphere where individuals feel valued and capable even when facing unexpected hurdles. Sharing responsibility reduces individual burden, mutual support boosts morale and resilience. A cohesive team is more adaptive and effective. Key takeaways: building sustainable and stress free voluntary effect. Communicate openly. Foster an environment where transparency and honesty are encouraged at all levels. Collaborate on planning, involve all team members in setting goals and allocating resources to ensure realism. Support each other, build a culture of mutual assistance and understanding to navigate challenges together. Learn and adapt. Embrace feedback as tool continuous improvement, making every project strong. Thank you.